Pull the boat up to the dock, asking you coming or you not. Playing or wanna take a box, trying to catch fish non-stop. Hope that they hitting on top, man. Jump in the water like a seal from the Navy. If I lose a big one on film, I'm that crazy. You break one on my pole.
Got cash out.
Hoard them gift cards from Bass Pro.
We stash out.
Best fisherman with the flow.
Welcome back, YouTube. Over here at the South Platte River in the middle of downtown, and it's a cold day. It's like about 30 degrees, and I'm gonna try and pull a fish out of here. I'm gonna be throwing a variety of different stuff. So to start off, I'm gonna be using a swinging jig head with a crawdad imitation. So I'm gonna throw that, and then I'm gonna be throwing a jointed shad wrap. And then I'm gonna be throwing, of course, my personal favorite, all white rooster tail. And last but definitely not least, we're gonna be throwing a worm on a jig head. So that's what I'm gonna be using to catch a fish. So stay tuned, you ain't gonna wanna miss this. All right, I just hooked into something that looks like a big old rainbow trout. Get him out of the water here. Get my net. Alright. Get this guy here. Ooh. This guy's big. He's really big. Alright. Look at this guy. That guy is massive. He is just huge. Alright. Let me go ahead and release this guy. That's a nice sized trout. Alright, there he goes. He's taking off. If you see him, he's swimming off. All right, so I said it's that easy, and we caught that guy in about 35-degree weather, and right now it's about 10:30 in the morning, and out of my setup, I figured that was the best I could do out of those 4 baits, and well, I caught him off of the worm with the jig head. So I just cast it out like down over there where that calm water was, and I just let my worm just chill there, and I was just letting the current just like letting it float in the water, and I just see my line like that, and then I just see my line start going, and I set the hook, and we got him. So if you like my videos and you want to see more, you know what to do. Hit that like button, please subscribe, and I'll see all you on my next video. Later.